guys, I just made my 1,000th sale on Etsy. Let's go celebrate. First up, the Goodwill Bins. This is a cool book. I love when books have personal writing inside. Ooh, this is nice. Very old pages. I'm looking for cookbooks. Try to see what dates these are sometimes. I was looking for some children's encyclopedias. This one might be pretty cool, and it's in decent shape. Now this is pretty cool. 1950. Alright guys, so I wasn't able to film too much in there because it was really packed and I don't like to get other people in my vlogs. But yeah, let's just go. I'm going to show you everything I got. It was I don't know, it wasn't too great today, but I think what I found was definitely worth the trip. I found this Bisquick cookbook, and I just wanted a few additional pages to add into my January junk trunk kits. And there's some pretty cool pages in here, and you can see papers are sticking out because whoever owned this clipped a ton of recipes and things off of labels, like food labels. Let's see, and I love... So there are some recipe cards inside the book. I'm trying to see if I can find any of the other little clippings. They're all kind of clipped in here and I just have one hand free. So anyways, yeah, pretty cool. I was excited to find that. And by the way, their hardcover books are $2, which is not very great at all. But anything that is a children's magazine, or sorry, a children's book, a magazine, or a soft cover book is 30 cents. And almost every single time that I have gone there, they only charge me 30 cents for even like the hardcover books. Like this one might not be hardcover. I mean, it is a hardcover, but I could see how it maybe not be, it might not be considered one just because it's like small and has like the little spines on it. But anyways, even these bigger ones, I only got charged 30 cents, so that's cool. This one, I just liked the cover of it, and it has really nice aged pages. So I'm not exactly sure what I will do with it, but I was thinking that a junk journal with the original cover might be kind of cool. Like, I don't really know, like a junk journal that has like a story, and I've only done that once before and I loved it. So if you guys know a digital journaling kit that would be good to go with this cover, let me know, because I would love to make one for that. Then I got this huge cookbook. It's not too old, I don't remember the date, but it's really, really big, and I'm going to break these pages up and put them into the January kits, which I'm shipping now. And by the way, guys, thank you for 1,000 sales on Etsy. I can't believe that happened today. Today is like day 2 of the January junk trunk sale. I didn't sell out on the first day. I do have, I think, about 80 kits left or something like that. But I am just blown away at how quick those went, and I couldn't be happier. So anyways, then I found this Christmas magazine, and while Christmas is over, it just had some really pretty Christmas music paper, and I loved the cover, so of course I wanted to grab that now because I'm not going to have it later, and it was 30 cents. Then I got 2 children's encyclopedias. Again, 30 cents, even though they are hardcover, and I'm super happy with these. I love the different pages. Look at this. Just really fun illustrations, and I think it might be fun to make some envelopes. Lindsay Zenor has made a ton of envelopes out of children's encyclopedia pages, I'm pretty sure specifically. And so I love that idea. And so I got 2 of them. Very happy that I was able to get my hands on that. I'm going to save my favorite for the last. So I ended up grabbing this fairy tale children's book. The pages are really big in here, but I've wanted to do a fairy tale junk journal for a while. Now I got that idea completely from Johanna, and so of course I would take my own spin on it, and mine wouldn't be anywhere near as good as hers because she is amazing. But yeah, if I ever get the time or get around to it, it would just be so fun to make a super like florally fairy tale kind of super lacy, I don't know, like I have a picture in my head, and it would be so awesome to do a journal, or yeah, a junk journal that is all fairy tale themed. And then the last, no sorry, I have 2 more, but this is my favorite here, and this is a very old Mother Goose book. Let's see if I can quickly find the year. I don't think it's too old, but it's a good find, I think. I think it's 1950. Sorry, I can't find the date and I don't want to keep you guys too long, but really awesome. Has great illustrations and the pages are nice and big. Let's see. Yeah, anyways, I love it. And then the last thing that I found was a very old magazine. I know that page is pretty funny. Let me turn you guys around. I don't know, I just love older magazines because throughout there are all kinds of advertisements and things, and like sometimes, you know, it will list a price, and I think it's just so fun to have pages. Of course I can't find any of them now, funny, a medication one, but I know I saw like, oh, some order forms and things like that. So I think this will be really fun to play with. So I think I spent less than $3. I don't remember the total, but I'm very happy with that. Great price. I was hoping to find some Pictionary pieces or playing cards, and I didn't find any of those. It is pretty hit and miss at the bins, but I am happy with those things, and I am going to continue this adventure to a few more shopping places. So if you want to see those places, then stay tuned on my channel. Make sure you are subscribed, and those will be coming in the future days. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Bye.